a mini Phillips screwdriver, a bone folder, and an X-Acto knife. These are my tools of choice as I add my wallpaper onto the back of my DreamBox. It's so sticky! You got this, Janet. You got this, girl. You got this. Before putting it together, before I slide the back panels inside of the DreamBox, I received a suggestion to say that I should add my wallpaper first, and I think it's a great suggestion. Thank you so much. This is what I am doing right now. I think this is an excellent way to customize your DreamBox. You can personalize it so that it has your taste and your touch all over it. Of course, it's going to have your craft items in there, so it will be customized for you with the tools that you use. But visually, is it customized for you? That was good, right? I think so. Okay. Now I have X-Acto knifed the cutouts. I think it's not a necessity, but for me, it is a joy. And if you're a visual like me, this might be a joy for you as well. All 3 panels covered. Here's the finished look. Yay! Here's the inside. And you can also see the outside cover that I'm planning. Show you a picture of the blueprints here. Yeah, it's coming along.